If you have just had a cesarean section and you have a cough, especially a chronic one, please stop coughing like this, because when you do, there's usually an increase in the pressure in your abdomen, which can force your intestine to come out from the weakest point, and in this case, it is the site of your surgery, resulting into incisional hernia. So how then can you go about it? The first thing is to apply pressure on the site of the surgery, then you can cough. If you go about it this way, you will prevent your intestine from coming out from the site of the surgery, especially if you have a chronic cough. If you like my video, please follow for more and share for others to also learn from it. Happiness na good health.